Well, the waves are coming crashing as I look at the big blue sea. Oh God, this beautiful creation, the one that created me. Well, they say that I'm just a child, say a child of the sea. When they created Ariel the mermaid, they've also created me. And ooh, 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 ooh. What else lies there in the water? Perhaps something of the deep. What else lies there in the water? How do you know it's not what's guiding me? Ooh, ooh, oh, ooh. Well, I know that they think it's nonsense, and I know what they think of me, but I know that the water